Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss three confusing words. First word is accede. Accede means to yield. Accede means to yield. Can be used in a sentence like this: My father acceded to my request and allowed me to join college. Second word is concede. Concede means to admit as true. Concede means to admit as true. It can be used in a sentence like this: She was willing to concede her fault when she discovered that she was in the wrong. Third word is accede. E-X-C-E-E-D. Accede means to go beyond. Accede means to go beyond. For example, it can be used in a sentence like this: In this case, you have exceeded your powers. In this case, you have exceeded your powers. We will discuss more confusing words every day. To get video notification, subscribe the Home Academy YouTube channel and also press this bell icon so that you get notification.